Okay, so here is a screen bar from BenQ. This is a great ear reading lamp for monitors that you can mount on the monitor and get light down from top of the monitor down below without do some glaring on the screen. So this BenQ ScreenBar ear reading lamp will make it great for your eyes while reading and using monitors for your computers. I will later on, after I've unboxed this ScreenBar lamp from BenQ, test it with my iPad connected to my 27-inch HP monitor. So we will see how good this lamp works with that monitor, and we will also see how to mount it on the monitor and so on in this video. But let's start by unboxing this. Quite huge package, so it's hard to show you, but the box is nice. And here we have how to mount it in different languages and so on. Quite easy to do, as you can see. And it uses USB to power it up. So you have to connect this to a USB port, for example, on your computer, or a USB hub or anything. So that will be nice. And here we have some model number AR17. Color black and so on. And this screen bar is 450 millimeter long, 90 millimeter in depth and 92 millimeter in height, and it weighs 530 gram. So let's unbox this. Let's remove this to see what's in the box. Here we have the box itself, like so. Nice packaging, actually, really nice. Here we have some instructions and so on, warranty and all that. Here we have the screen bar itself. Nice. Let's check this out later on in the package. What's more? Here is the arm mount. That's heavy because this is a weight that will compensate for the screen bar. And here we have, I can guess, a USB cable. Just a normal USB cable. USB type A, I think, but let's see if it's USB type A in both ends. No, actually USB type C in this end. Woohoo! And USB type A in this end. So USB type C, that's nice, really nice. So this screen bar has USB type C. Whoa, nice, really nice. That's what's in the box. Maybe something more? No? That's what's in the box. Here we have the USB cable for power. And here we have the mounting unit. Let's remove the plastic somehow. Always hard to know how they have thought this out with the plastic. Like so. Nice, a BenQ logo. Nice. Another BenQ logo. and another BenQ logo. Nice. Really nice. And this is very rubberized because this will be at the monitor, so this will not move so easy. Really nice. And here we have the screen bar itself. Let's remove this plastic. And this screen bar is dim bar, so you can have different strength of the light, and uses an ambient sensor. Nice. And as you can see, power, I don't know what that is. Here is the temperature of the light and how strong the light should be. And here we have the USB Type-C port. And here is the lamp itself, as you can see. 450 millimeter long. Nice. So now it's time to mount this on my monitor. So we will try to do that. So let's start by mounting this to the stand, the weight, by doing like this. I think it's important that you have the USB Type-C port in this hole in the weight, like so. So now I think it's mounted. So now this should be on the monitor itself, like so. Okay, I tried to mount this with one hand because I hold my camera in the other hand, but I think you should mount it so you have it like so. Let's see. I think like this. Now we mount the power. So I have now mounted the USB Type-C cable to the back side of the screen bar. Now we plug the USB Type-A into this port, like so. As you can see now, this lamp is on and has the light down below on this table, keyboard, touchpad and so on. And I use that with my iPad. So I have this display from the iPad on the monitor, and as you can see, the light is gorgeous on the monitor now because of this screen bar. I love this screen bar actually. It looks really nice and the display gets a lot better. As you can see, now it's off and now I turn it on. Really nice. I love that. Check this out down below. Turn it off. Really dark, and I have to concentrate to read and so on. So now when I turn it on, gets much better, much better. As you can see, really strong lamp, 1000 lumen that you can have down from the top of your monitor down below your screen and so on, so you can read a lot better. Okay, so now let's get through the buttons on this screen bar. As you can see here, we have power on and power off. And this button is auto dim. So if I have that turned on, it adjusts the color brightness and warmth or cold of the
color automatically when using that. And this button you can tap to have manually choose your color warmth or coldness by tapping on that. And here you can dim it manually and so on that. But I prefer the automated auto dimness. So I can highly recommend having the auto dimness on automatically, so it adjusts the color automatically. So by using these touch controls you can actually do some settings, as I said. And here we have the sensor for the auto adjustment of this. And I prefer using the auto dim function like so, because then everything is correctly set up when it comes to the color and the brightness of the light. So I can highly recommend this BenQ ScreenBar for monitors. Works great together with my iPad, as you can see on this monitor. Awesome, really love it. Check out the links down below where you can buy this ScreenBar from BenQ. Okay, bye.